friends, welcome to my channel Sagar Info Mode. In this video, I will show you one certification, means one sports certification, and topic is on judo. So I think you have somewhere listened about the judo. It is a one type of karate and fighting, and it is invented in the Japan. So without wasting time, let's get started. If any doubt, comment below, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel. Now I will directly take you to the website. Now this is a website. I think in the previous video you have seen this website. So you just have, I have already registered here and successfully signed in also. If you didn't register and sign up, you just go there and sign up. Okay, so click on to the all certification and come down. I mean scroll down. Here we can see certification on judo by Lingaya Lalita Devi Institute of Management and Science. Okay friends, just click on to the see more button. As you can see here, certification on judo. Judo. Okay. So currently, current state is not enroll and price is free. So get started. So click on to the tech course. Take this course. Now as you can see, loading is going on. Now you can see these are progress bar, percentage line 0%. So click on to the assessment on judo. Okay friends. Now you can see some assessment rules, and the test is based on the judo, and select the correct option to answer each question, and total exam is of 100 marks and there is no negative marking. So like that rules is okay. So click on to the start quiz button. As you can see, some 20 questions are there. So here the question number 1 is appeared here, so I need to be give the correct answer to get the certificate. Okay, so let me read the question number 1. So who is the father of judo? The father of judo is late Professor Jigoro Kono. Okay, and click on to the next. And now come to the next question. Where does judo come from? As previously said, you judo is come from the Japan. So click on to the Japan and click next. Now when was judo created? Judo created when? So judo is created in the year of 1882. And click on next. And what does judo means? Judo means a gentle way. So judo means it is a gentle way to fight anyone, not fight, just to do defense. Okay. Now when was the judo first included in the Olympic Games? And in 1964 Tokyo Olympics. Okay. Now click on to the next. And which of the following are banned in judo? So what are the things which is banned in judo? So the things which is banned in judo is punching and kicking. Now what's the highest rank in judo? So as in master arts, black belt. Now more people practice in judo in France than in Japan. Is it true or false? It is true. Okay. Now which US president, United States president, practice the sports of judo? Theodore Roosevelt. Okay. Now click on to the next. And judo uniforms are called these. So the dress name we have to be give, which we have to wear at the time of judo. Okay, fighting. So correct answer is judo gi. Okay, now click on to the next. In which Olympic Games were female judoka first able to compete? Okay. Now for the 11th question, the correct answer is 1980s Seoul Games. Now click on to the next. Now what is judo mat in Japanese called? What is judo mat? So the name of the judo mat in Japanese called, it should be in a Japanese language only, so it should be tatami. And click on to the next. Okay, so now Takiwaza means. So Takiwaza means and standing techniques. So it is a one type of techniques called Takiwaza in Japanese in judo. Okay. Now come to the 14th question. What combination of technique is practiced in judo? So now 14th question. Kicks and punch strikes, throws, cokes, arms locks and submissions. Arm lock, submission, kick, punches. So means all the above is the correct answer for this question. Okay. So now come to the 15th question. Let me read it. Where did judo make its first Olympic debut? Okay, so it is in Japan. Oh, means Tokyo. And 16th question. 16th question. So what is a judo belt called? So what we have to call to the judo belt? That is black belt, I think somewhere. Okay. So that is correct answer is OB. And click on to the next. For every time, for each and every time, you have to click onto the next button when you give the correct answer for this question. Okay, so now come to the 17th question. Let me read it. Controlling techniques are called. So in judo fighting there are some controlling techniques, and there is some name for the technique also in Japanese. So for this the correct answer is all the above. These all are the controlling techniques. Okay, so now come to the 18th question. What do you call as judo teacher? So who is teaching us judo? So what we should call them? Okay, so for 18th question the correct answer is sensei. Now click on to the next button. Who is the first Dronachari awarded in judo? So now for this the correct answer is Guru Charan Singh Gogi. Click on to the next button. And the ashi barai in judo means the ashi barai. What is the meaning of this the ashi barai in judo in Japanese? So ripping. After successfully completing all the quiz, just click on to the finish button and your quiz complete result are being recorded. And as you can see here, I got the 75 percentage. So if you have seen my video correctly, you will also get the 75 percentage. Now click on to the print your certificate to see your certificate. It is get loading. You just have to be patient about it. Okay. Now I will minimize on okay, small size. Now as you can see here, Lingalyas Lalita Devi Institute of Management and Science. So okay, so NAC re-accredited a great institute. Certificate of Merit Sagar Singh through online assessment on judo. As you can see here, certified ID means this is a verified certificate. You can get this and you can show this certificate in your resume at the time of applying for job in such a way that your targeted company should be related to the sports, and then sports certificate will be valuable for that company. Then only you can get this certificate to show your resume at the time of applying for the job. Okay, so thanks for watching friends. We will meet in the next video, and please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share with your friends and like. If any doubt, comment below.